Heyo, Agent of Divine here to blow your mind. Yeah, you already know. Done playing games. I'm gonna give you the most raw truth about manifestation. Give you a complete basis of how to truly understand and be aware of how everybody manifests, so you can have a conscious understanding of how it is a tool for you to use at any point in your life, anytime in the present moment. Let's get it. We all manifest on a consistent daily basis, whether that be things that are good or bad for us. So I have to ask you, what are you manifesting for yourself? Things that are holding you back or progressing you in your journey? Are you investing into yourself through things like health is wealth? Or are you literally just walking backwards while being unhealthy and giving into all the impulses that you get? Before we get into any talk about manifestation, I have to make clear that everything in life comes down to a choice. You always have the choice no matter what. And truly the only tool you have in this life of yours is choice. And as you are the conscious awareness who selects between all these choices that we are presented with in the present moment, it's up to you to determine what is best for you. Nobody else or nothing else. It's up to you and only you. Now, the formula to striving/becoming your best version. States of mind/being. To truly attract that aspiration or goal or dream, you need to first let go of your current version. Don't get too attached to who you think you are, as you are truly a limitless being. Don't ever forget this now. To begin to attract your newer and better version, you're going to have to be that new version in order to attract this. In order to attract this deepest desire of yours, you will have to be in the ideal state of being or mind. And there are infinite states of mind. You just need to find the ideal one that fits great for you and try to maintain it as best you can through things like routine and being organized. That very much helps me. And affirmations in the morning. Personally, and I got this from Cam Legend in one of my streams, create your own affirmations and put like some binaural beats behind it. It's pretty easy. This will allow you to attract thoughts related to this desire of yours. And we all know that thoughts are the base of all manifestation. They create our realities. It's pretty obvious to see once you analyze in a third-person perspective. How will you create without thoughts? You can't. How will you take action without thoughts? You can't. So you must align your thoughts with that you wish to achieve or just become. So states of mind, ideal states of mind. Now, we'll speak about auto-suggestion. You may have already heard of from many popular books like Think and Grow Rich, but basically it's how to directly communicate or install thoughts into your subconscious mind. As we know of, awareness is power. This is made very clear in my comfort zone video. Some people aren't even aware of the subconscious at all, which results in them being completely controlled by external forces. Now, you are finna learn how to use that subconscious of yours for your own manifestations. That's real power. Auto-suggestion is quite simple to perform. You have like 50,000 thoughts a day or something like that. I don't know. But your subconscious does not care about these thoughts. It filters them out unless they are attached to something else, like a feeling, emotion, or desire. Let me give you an example. I've been trying to quit my nails for a long time. And only when I started to realize that I was chewing my nails, because it's such a subconscious habit, then I became grateful that I realized that I was chewing my nails. That helped me install into my subconscious that I wanted this out of my life. Now, desire of fire, becoming your best self, striving for your dreams, hustling for the bag, none of these can happen without desire. So I ask you, what do you want out of your life? Well, the base of all manifestation and riches is a desire. So how bad do you want it? You're going to have to feel that desire within your heart. Let it burn and don't let it extinguish. This desire is what will get you up to take action on whatever feels right to you and your divine purpose. Now you have to trust the process when you're manifesting while removing all resistance. Everything happens for a reason. You are living out a divine plan where everything is lined up for your journey and your own personal growth. The universe has set you up for your purpose, and all you have to do is have faith and trust the process. This is not as easy as it is said, but it is most definitely possible. You must stop trying to control the uncontrollable. Let go of everything that is outside of your mind. These external things are out of your control. You should really be focused on the internal, or whatever is within your mind. This is what you can control. And with this, you can create your whole reality, because you can change your thoughts, beliefs, subconscious, and your thoughts, merely a piece of energy, can literally change your whole reality and perception. So why can't you convert your reality or perception to your own desired reality? Why can't you create your ideal state of mind? Well, you very much can. Focus on what's important to you then. Focus on what you have control over. The internal. You must let go of everything else, or else it will have control on you. The base of all unnecessary suffering is attachment, especially to external things. And let alone the fact that you can even get attached to many things inside of your head. So be cautious. I have been trusting the process and the universe since As a result, I've been blessed with the love of my life, a passion I've always dreamed of. I'm healthier than ever, more fit than ever, and more happier than ever, more fulfilled. All I simply did was trust the universe, remove all resistance, and let it guide me. Let it push me to where I need to go. Therefore, just letting go of all my attachment to problems and results, and instead just vibe, go with the vibe, and take my necessary action. Ever heard of 20% and 80% rule? That's where you do your 20% action and the universe does the rest. Pursuing your goals and dreams is not as hard as it seems. Instead of looking at your dreams or goals at a long-term scale, just tackle it day by day, small steps every day, because in reality, that's what you're gonna have to do. You're not taking massive steps every day, but those can come. Slow steps every day is what you must do on a consistent basis, and you will get there. You have to be that best version. This will slowly compound into your desired results or outcomes while you simultaneously enjoy the process. On that topic, the process versus the results. Most people are fixed on their results, which leads them to being impatient and unsatisfied with their process and even their results. This may be the worst mistake you're making while you're manifesting. You have to enjoy the process just as much as you enjoy the results. This will make your manifestation so much easier to pull through with, therefore increases the chances of it just becoming reality. Not only that, enjoying the process will just make your life so much better. Think about working out, for example. Do you think you're going to get that dream body of yours if you find going to the gym a chore? Hell nah. The chances are little to none. You're gonna slack off. But if you're passionate for your workouts and see them as a time of growth and use them for things like gratitude, which I personally do, you will very well reach those goals of yours. Problem versus solution. When following your divine purpose, you will encounter plenty of obstacles without a doubt. These problems are here for a reason, as I spoke about before, the divine plan. But you can't get stuck on the fact that they are a problem. Instead, you must look for a solution. Looking for the solution will instead allow you to avoid unnecessary suffering and keep you pushing with that desire of fire. These problems may be hell to you, but you surely don't ever want to stop in hell. And discovering and pursuing a solution will allow you to keep pushing till you reach the light once again. You should always have your priorities set on solutions rather than problems, to the extent that you will be ready to receive whatever it is that solution is or that desire is, and you won't be shocked once you do receive this. Blessings in disguise. I spoke about this already too, but it is so important. The universe works in mysterious and unique ways. You have your own life story, a creative masterpiece that only you can understand and reveal to the world. Completely unique to you. As I stated before, you have a divine plan in which everything you need to grow as a person, as a spiritual being, is here for you to line you up so you can serve your divine purpose. But the universe doesn't typically play nice when it comes to teaching you and putting you on your purpose. In fact, it's usually always harsh. Whenever you are in a tough, negative time in your life, you must analyze the situation in bird's eye view or a third person perspective. In your lowest points, you are susceptible to the most growth. These negative situations are there for you, for your growth, or to get you prepared for new possibilities and or opportunities. They are blessings in disguise. And only when you can view them as such is when you can reap the true value of these lessons, the true intent that are being divinely sent to you. Remember, you are completely unique. Everything you are experiencing is meant for you to experience. So flow with the vibes, trust the process, see where it takes you. Life is a roller coaster, not just a straight line. Right as I finished writing this part of the video, 9:09 showed up on my clock. The universe works in mysterious ways, as I said, and once you align yourself with the universe and your divine purpose, all starts working out for your benefits. When you are tuned into balance and the godly patterns of our existence, you'll start to be able to realize such negativity in your life is actually a door to more possibilities. No matter what you do, if you are trying to be healthy, balanced, rich, enlightened, or just successful, which is very subjective, whatever it is, it's my point. You're gonna have to go out of your comfort zone. Video here that will tell you exactly how to do that. Or exercise certain techniques, for example, goals or gratitude or envisioning your dreams or something like Nikola Tesla's 369 method. Find whatever works best for you that will help you manifest. Be as organized as you can be. That's the number one thing that has helped me manifest what I want truly out of my life. If you want to take this even further, go learn and understand our universal laws the best you can. This is one of the earliest things I did on my journey. I watched a bunch of videos, studied a bunch of things, and wrote it down completely in my notes. If you don't want to take my word for it, take xxxTentation's.
It goes very far, and then just even it all lies in the mind. Don't get caught up in everything that's outside of your mind. The more time you spend in your mind, I really honestly want you to keep my word, because if you don't, it doesn't go anywhere. Everything besides what you got planned does not matter. You gotta stay in your mind.
Keep going, dog. Hey man, I appreciate it so much, dog.
Just remember what I said. Study your laws of the universe. Laws of the universe. Or get the master key.
At the end of the day, if you truly want to manifest, you're just gonna have to do it. The only way your dreams can come true is if you chase them, if you take action on them. You are the only one who can pursue this dream of yours, this dream life, this dream version. Everybody else will either just watch you or try to bring you down. You are the only person you will ever have who can take action for your highest desires and have that desire to give yourself that motivation to build that discipline. You are the only one who can do this for yourself. It all comes down to choice, and the choice is always yours. So it's time to live it. Live your dream, or it may never be born. Agent of Divine, signing out. Peace and love, fam. A lot more coming, for real. I'm organizing my life back again and you'll see. It's about to pop off, okay? It's been building up, and it still is. Much love to all of you. Seriously, it means a lot. You're watching till the end. Peace.